All right, so for writing this week, your problem is to solve the difference between 75 and 12 and 345 thousandths. So we know that the word difference, if I were to highlight this, I know that's the answer to a subtraction problem. So when I know when I'm subtracting, I'm going to first line up the digits and the decimal points vertically by their place value with the larger number on top. So that would be 75. So I'm going to put 75 on top. Oops. And again, I forgot to order it, so I'm going to order it. So you have 75. And then I place a decimal point after the 5. So next I'm going to place the decimal point after the 5. And in this case, I'm adding 3 zeros because there's 3 place values after 12 and 345 thousandths. So I'm going to place 3 zeros after it. One, two, 3. Then I'm going to put my decimal point down, but then I'm going to line up the 2 that's in the ones column underneath the 5 in the ones column. Then I'll place the 1. And then I'm going to place the 3 that's in the tenths place underneath the first 0 and 75. Next, I'll place the 4 in the hundredths place underneath the 4, underneath the 0 and 75. And then I will place the 5 that's in the thousandths place underneath the last 0. I then am going to drop my decimal point straight down and begin to solve from right to left. And when I'm solving, I will be subtracting. So I have to start by solving this. 0 minus 5, I can't do that, so I need to go to the 0 next door. Well, I can't take from that 0, so I need to go to the next place value. Well, that's 0. I can't take from that, so I need to go to the 5. The 5 I'm able to take from, so the 5 now becomes a 4, which makes all my zeros 10s. But in order to make my last 0 a 10, my first 0 in the tenths place and my 0 in the hundredths place both become 9s. So now I have to do 10 minus 5. 5. 9 minus 4. 5. 9 minus 3. 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. So you get your answer of 62 and 655 thousandths. Okay, so now since we've solved it, we talked each step out, we now are going to go and write them, which is on the, we're going to write our steps and put it into a paragraph. So that's our next slide that we're going to be completing.